If you have ever wanted an intro that makes your channel look 10x more professional, this video is for you. Here is what we are creating today, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. Looks like it was made by a professional, right? Well, what if I told you this entire intro was made in CapCut within minutes using completely free features? If you are trying to make your channel stand out, your intro needs to grab attention in the first 5 seconds. And today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. Make sure you watch until the end because once you see how it all comes together, you will realize how easy it is to make your videos look 10x better. First, if you don't have CapCut installed yet, you can download it for free from the official website. For this tutorial, I am using the CapCut PC app, but no problem if you have CapCut mobile app. Everything I am about to show you works just as well on the mobile version too. Once you have got CapCut ready, open a new project and head over to the text section. Add a new text box to your timeline. Then, delete the default placeholder text and type in your channel name or brand name. From here, go ahead and customize the font, size, and color to match your branding and style. Next, we are going to create a cool animated mask effect. Go to the Media tab, open the library, and select a black background. Drag it into the timeline. Then, reduce its size slightly. And then head over to the Mask tab. Click on Add Mask and choose the vertical bar-shaped one. Rotate it 90 degrees and increase its size to stretch across the text. Then use the arrow icon to make this effect. To animate this, we will use keyframes. Position the black background just at the start of your text and set your first keyframe. Then move forward in the timeline, add another keyframe, and shift the black mask to fully cover the text. This creates a sleek, sliding motion across your brand name. Once you are happy with it, export this clip. Now open a new project. This time, bring in your logo or photo and drop it into the timeline. Make sure your project is set to a 16:9 aspect ratio for the best results. Head over to the Mask tab again, click on Add Mask, and select the round shape. Resize and position it however you like for a clean, circular cutout. Go back to the media library and bring in a white background. Apply the same round mask to the white background and place it directly under your image so that it acts as a frame. Resize the white background just enough to give the image a subtle border effect. Now, we are adding a black background again. But this time, we will recreate the same animated masking effect we used earlier on the brand name. Add it, apply the mask, animate it with keyframes from one side to the other. And when it looks smooth, go ahead and export the second clip too. At this point, you should have 2 separate video clips ready. One with your brand name, animation, and one with your masked image or logo. Now let's bring everything together. Start a final new project and import both of your exported clips. To add some serious energy to the intro, we are going to use a fire animation overlay. I will be uploading the fire asset to my Discord community, so check the link in the description, join the server, and download the file from there. Once you have downloaded it, import the fire animation into your project. Place it on top of your other 2 clips in the timeline. Now, select the fire layer, go to the Basic tab, and change the blend mode to brighten. This will seamlessly overlay the fire onto your visuals, giving them that dynamic, professional edge. Finally, adjust the speed of the clips to sync the animation with your overall vibe. Once everything is in place and you are happy with how it flows, go ahead and export your final intro video. And there you have it, a clean, professional-looking YouTube intro made entirely with CapCut. If you followed along and created your own version, let me know how it turned out in the comments. I'd love to hear it out. And if you learned something new or found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. I have got a lot more awesome CapCut tricks and video editing tips coming your way, so stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.